Let's get a check now, speaking of weather, on all of this breaking weather news. Extreme winter weather slamming more than half the country. It's killed at least 28 people across the southeast. In Texas, the state power grid is overloaded. It's left at least 4 million people to face historically low temperatures without electricity and often without heat. My colleague Morgan Chesky joins us now from Dallas. And Morgan, about the only upside here is, I assume, the cold weather motivates people to wear a mask because it's one extra layer on your face. But how bad is it, Morgan?